You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce these famous French sentence. It's also the name of a French song. We'll be looking at how to say more, sorry for that, vocabulary from French as well. So in French it's said as la vie en rose, meaning life in pink. La vie en rose. Now let's break down how you can say this in English. La vie en rose. La vie en rose. Or if you can pronounce French a bit better, la vie en rose. La vie en rose, la vie en rose. Yeah, anyhow, you got this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.